be reviewing Pinnacle Souveran. I opened it already because I was so excited, and literally this thing smells like fruit wax. Like literally smells like fruit wax. And let me open it real quick. Sorry. So like that. And literally it is awesome. So I will be using this paste wax, sorry about that, Pinnacle Souveran for my Subaru. It's been polished. I didn't put, what do you call that, play bar because I ran out, so I could not find it. But yeah. So it looks so nice. That's not been waxed, so it has not been waxed again. It's just been polished. I hope I did it good because this is my first time ever polishing a car. Let me know what you think, but stay tuned and I will show you the result. The paste wax. Alright guys, so I just put on the wax. Let me know what you think. I think it looks extremely good. Like if you see it in person, I even got a few young individuals saying, "Oh my God, look at that car paint." I mean, I'm telling you, it is truly remarkable. Look at that. Alright. Look at that paint. Alright, let me get closer. This usually have a lot of swirl marks, but kind of fixed it a little bit. Oh my God. It's hard to describe. Like literally, it is hard to describe. It is extremely hard to describe. Now, the other side is good too, but as you can see, you can't see it from the sun very well. So I won't show this side, but this side, I don't know if you can see it, the sparkle. But man, wow. I'm telling you guys, man. Sorry about my driveway. We're actually renovating the driveway soon, so I cannot wait. But yeah, I was in a hurry. It's kind of sunny as heck outside, but look at that. Oh wow, it's remarkable, man. I don't know what you think, man. What you guys think, just comment below. If you don't like it, it's fine. It's up to you. And if it's not worth it, you know, $100, but it's up to you guys. But me, I believe it's worth it. I have a few, I think I have 3 of them, so I won't use it all the time because, you know, they're so expensive. But look at that. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I will also try and make a video at least once a week because I'm trying my best to post as much video as I can. But I have school, I go to university, and I have work, so like everybody else. But yeah, let me know what product you want me to review, and stay out and enjoy your day.